the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan. And here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan. And now while coming to the present content of the video, here you are watching on the screen that the DRDO is providing the scholarships for the girls who belongs to aerospace engineering, aeronautical engineering or space engineering, and rocketry, avionics and aircraft engineering. So the candidates or the girls or the women who belongs to these departments, either for the UG programs or for the PG programs, here the scholarships are provided by the DRDO. So you can see that the DRDO has launched the scholarship scheme for the girls through Aeronautical Research and the Development Board, so AR and DB, DRDO headquarters. So here you can see in the table, I will provide this link in the description box of this video. So number of scholarships are 20 for the level of undergraduate, that means the candidates who are going to join in the BE, BTech or BSc engineering and belongs to the department aerospace engineering or aeronautical engineering, space engineering and rocketry, avionics and aircraft engineering. Here the amount of scholarship is 1,20,000 per year or annual fees, whichever is less, for a maximum period of 4 years. And coming to the eligibility category, the candidate must be an Indian national and the candidate should have got admission in the first year of the current academic year 2020-21 to the relevant BE or BTech or BSc engineering course. And the candidate should have cleared the JEE mains and the candidate should have valid JEE main score. And here 10 number of scholarships are available for these departments who belongs to the post-graduation ME, MTech or MSc engineering. And here the 15,500 rupees per month subject to 1,86,000 rupees per year for a maximum period of 2 years the candidates are going to get. So to attain this one, the qualifications required are candidate must be Indian national and the candidate should have secured admission in the first year of the current academic year 2021 to the relevant ME or MTech or MSc engineering course, and the candidate must have scored 60% of marks in the qualifying exam level, that is BE, BTech or BE engineering or equivalent, for getting admission to the subject course as per the guidelines set by the AICTE. So while coming to the CGPA, 6.75 must be there on the 10 point scale, and candidate should have the valid GATE score must be there. Okay, the students pursuing the dual degree course or integrated master's degree in the above mentioned subjects may also apply. So these are the details. So the candidates who are watching this video, so please share this video to your friends or whoever are there. So whichever this information is very much necessary to them, so please share this video to them, because here the DRDO is offering very good scholarship for the undergraduation and the post-graduation joining candidates for this academic year 2020 to 21. So please let them utilize. Okay, and the selection process: first year undergraduate scholarship for 4-year full-time course will be based upon the merit of the JEE main, and candidates without valid JEE main score will not be considered. And coming to the first year post-graduation, scholarship for 2 years full-time course will be based upon the valid GATE score on merit basis. The candidates without valid GATE score will not be considered. Okay, so these are all the details given here. For more accurate and the more details, please once visit the official website of this DRDO. Anyhow, I'm providing the link in the description box of this video. Fine. Here the registrations will start from 19th July 2020 and the closing date is 30th September 2020. Okay, So for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. Thank you. The candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, it is a very good news to you. Why? Because here one of my YouTube channel is designed specially for the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So here all the concepts will be explained in detail and the PPTs are also available to you to download for quick revision and for quick reading purpose. And this YouTube channel link I am providing in the description box of this video.